Hi. I moved. I got into the trailer, out of the garage. Is this step up or a step down? Only time will tell. But this is day 5 of me getting fired and trying to become a full-time blacksmith. So today we're going to be making a bunch of knives. Well, trying to make a bunch of knives. We'll see how many we make by the end of the day. But yeah, let's get to her. Oh, and don't forget to like and comment. I'm still out of beer, and if we can get these to blow up, that would be great. I appreciate it. Thank you. Alrighty, day 5 is concluded. So I was, sorry, I was able to make 2 knives. I might work on one of these a little bit longer. Not super crazy with how it turned out, but we'll see. I think it's fixable. But yeah, it's pretty nice out here. Nice in the back. So I probably will keep working out here. Just got to give me some bug spray or something. But besides that, I like it out here. So thank you again for watching, and be sure to like and comment. Get that beer fun going. I'd appreciate it. Thank you. Bye.